Yes, my dear friends, welcome back to Sanjanhvi NEET Academy. Today, some of my friends, student friends, they appeared in 10th board examinations, CBSE, and they just came to have an interaction with me, chit-chatting with me, and they said that they appeared in the examination and can we have some refreshment on some of the questions. Then we told that we will solve all the questions, no doubt in that. But let us go for solving first 1 mark question sequencing. Okay, so this Sanjanhvi Career Counseling Center is located in Salem, Tamil Nadu. Physically, the center is available in Salem, Tamil Nadu, but the services which are provided globally, I can say. Why I am saying globally, not only in India, because now online tools are already available with all of us, and we all are better aware, well equipped in using online tools for our betterment. Yes, of course, we are outside. I am preparing my videos always along with the nature. Outside, yes. You may be hearing sounds of vehicles also. Yes, that goes in their own way. Our classes will be in our own way. So not to worry about that. Okay. So let us solve the questions of 10th board examinations. As I said, we provide career counseling facility also, and the center's name is Sanjanhvi NEET Academy. We deal with physics and mathematics, not only for NEET and IIT-JEE, but also for foundations also. So from 6 to 10 also, if somebody wants to have mathematics and science to build their foundation, that they can approach, and especially on weekend, on Sundays, especially for NEET and IIT-JEE, physics and mathematics classes are being taken in this Sanjanhvi NEET Academy. So let us solve the questions. Okay, so here we have started in set 2. The questions from set 2 is taken, and we have taken section A first, and this section comprises multiple choice questions of 1 mark each. So let us solve it. If sin theta is equal to 1, okay, let me select the pen. If sin theta is equal to 1, then the value of half sin theta by 2 is, will not be taking much time in each and every question, as this question is of 1 mark. So I feel that we should also solve in that similar manner. So if sin theta is equal to 1, so we all know that for which value of sin theta is equal to 1, means for which value of theta sin value will be equal to 1, so that is sin 90 degree, correct? Yes, sin 90 degree. It means what? Theta is equal to 90 degree. Then we need to find out theta by 2, right? Why? Because sin theta by 2 we have to find out. So theta by 2 is 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Okay. So we need to find the value of half sin theta by 2. So half into sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is equal to what? So 1 by 2 into 1 by root 2. So the answer will become 1 by 2 root 2. So 1 by 2 root 2 is in A. So the answer will be A. Similarly, the total surface area, second question, the total surface area of a solid hemisphere to the square of its radius So total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 3 pi r square divided by square of its radius, correct? Square of its radius, that is r square. So r square will get cancelled and left with 3 pi is to 1. So 3 pi is to 1 will be the answer. Question number 3. In the given figure, QR is a common tangent to the two given circles, right, touching externally at A. The tangent at A meets QR at P. Now, if AP is equal to 4.2 centimeter, then the length of QR is what? So, we need to find the length of QR. QR consists of the sum of QP plus PR, correct? So, this will be equal to QR. Now, what is the data given to us? The data given to us is AP only, AP. So, AP is equal to 4.2 centimeter is given to us. Now, we know that for any circle, if the point, external point, from an external point to any circle, two tangents can be drawn, and both two tangents will be equal, right? Both two tangents will be equal. Length of those two tangents will be equal. So, in this case also AP, so from this external point P, AP is one tangent to this circle and QP is another tangent to this circle. Similarly, when we are talking about from point P, AP is one tangent to this circle and PR is one tangent to this circle. So, as we said that the tangents, length of the tangents will be equal, it means AP is equal to QP. So, AP is equal to QP, and in this circle AP is equal to PR, right? AP is equal to PR. So, it means we can say that AP is equal to QP is equal to PR, means all of them are of equal length. It means this is also 4.2 centimeter and this one is also 4.2 centimeter, right? So, we need to find the length of QR. So, QR will be 4.2 plus 4.2 and this will be given to us as 8.4 centimeter. So, 8.4 centimeter is the answer. Question number 4. In the given figure, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to, angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. So, these two angles are of 90 degree. So, 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus this angle 60 degree. Total it is how much? 90 plus 90, 180 plus 60, 240. It means this particular angle will be equal to what? So, see, for any parallelogram or the figure made with 4 lines, the total angle, sum of total angle, internal angles will be equal to 360 degree. Okay, sum of internal angles of a quadrilateral, correct? Of a quadrilateral will be equal to 360 degree. So we need to find the angle BAP is equal to what? 360 degree minus the total of other angles, angle C, angle D and angle B. So this is 240. So this will be equal to 120 degree, right? Okay. Now we are already given that AP is equal to 3 centimeter. AP is equal to 3 centimeter. So if you will see this one, so it is appearing as a sector of a circle, correct? Whereas AP and let me name it as Q. So Q. Okay. So AP is equal to AQ is equal to R, and AP is already given to us as 3 centimeter. So it is just like a sector of a circle. So for finding the area, what we need to find it out? Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. It means area of this region. So area of the sector will be equal to angle. What is the angle? Theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Pi r square is the area of a circle. So here angle is theta is 120 degree, right? Okay. The center angle is 120 degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square, and r is equal to what? 3 square, correct? Right? Pi r square. So 120 and it has cancelled with 3. So it is 1 by 3 into pi. R is 3 centimeter, so into 9. So 3, it will be cancelling it and left with 3 pi. So 3 pi centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. 3 pi centimeter square. Fine. Now next question. If the mean of 6, 7, okay, it is given, mean is already given. What is mean? So x mean we are finding out, so x1 plus x2 and so on, plus x to the power xn divided by n, number of parameters, number of observations. So this is actually called mean. So here we are already given that the mean of 6 plus 7 plus p plus 8 plus q plus 14 plus 9 plus 9. No, sorry, not plus 9. Okay, up to 14 only. 6, 7, p plus 8 plus q plus 14 divided by how many observations are there? 2, 4, 6. So total 6 observations are there, and its mean is already given to us as 9. Then what we need to find out? So here, no doubt in that p minus q will not be there. Okay. See, p plus q only will be coming now. Fine. Let us go and solve. So 9 into 6, it will become 54, and this side you will be adding 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 4, 25 plus 10, 35. So here it will become p plus q. P plus q will not be added, plus 35. Like this it will be there. So p plus q will be equal to what? 54 minus 35. Okay. So what you are getting? So 35 plus 9, it is 44 and 10. So 19. So here it will become 19. So p plus q is equal to 19 will be the solution of this question. Next question, at some time of the day, the length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. Then the sun's altitude at that time is. So, let us see, suppose this is a tower, AB is a tower, and BC is the shadow and its tower. Now join AC and this is 90 degree. So this question is from heights and distances, that is applications of trigonometry. So at some time of the day, the length of the shadow of a tower is equal to its height. So what is given to us? We are given that AB is equal to BC, right? So the sun's altitude at that time, it means this angle of elevation we need to find out, right? This angle of elevation, that will give us sun's altitude. So we are already given that if suppose tan theta we will be taking it, so we can write tan theta is equal to AB by BC, because AB by BC both are equal. So this will give it to us as tan theta is equal to 1. So now for which value of theta tan will be equal to 1? So we know that tan 45 degree value, if it will be there, then only tan theta will be equal to 1. So theta is equal to what? 45 degree. So 45 degree will be the answer. Okay. Now question number 7. If an arc subtends an angle of 90 degree at the center of a circle, then the ratio of its length to the circumference of the circle is. So just let us see. So it will be similar to like this, okay, and this center angle is 90 degree and this is an arc, we can say ABC, whereas this one is R, this one is R, both are same. Okay, so here the case is arc is subtending an angle of 90 degree at the center of a circle. We need to find the ratio of its length to the circumference of the circle. So first of all, ratio of that arc length we need to find out. We need to find out the arc length, right? So how will we be finding out arc length? So length of arc AC will be equal to, again, what is the center angle? Center angle is 90 degree. Total angle in a circle is made 360 degree into total circumference of the circle. So total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the total circumference of the circle, right? Okay, and what it is given to the circumference. So this is the actually, so if we are cancelling this one, so it will become 1 by 4, right? So length of the arc is 1 by 4 into 2 pi r, right? Again, it is divided by total circumference of the circle. So total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r has got cancelled. The ratio has become what? 1:4. Right? So 1:4. So this 1:4 is the answer. Okay? Let me erase this side. Even here itself we can write divided by 2 pi r. So 2 pi r got cancelled and the length is 1:4. Now, next question. If ax plus by is equal to a square minus b square and bx plus ay is equal to 0, then the value of x plus y is. So this question has come from linear equation in two variables, right? It means we need to find the value of x and value of y first. Okay. Yes. So how we will do that? So let us see. So because here it is given ax plus by and here it is given bx plus ay. Okay. So in this case we need to do some of the utilize some of the methodology, method of substitution or cancelling. So those things we have to use it. Okay. So let us see how we are doing that. So let us multiply this first equation with b and let us multiply this second equation with a. So in this case what it will be? First one, so a b x plus b square y is equal to a square b minus b cube. Okay. And in second case it is abx plus a square y is equal to 0. Now we have seen that this one will become, we are subtracting, so we are going for subtraction. So abx and abx will get cancelled. Here it will be y into b square minus a square is equal to a square b, or we can write as b, we can take common, so a square minus b square. Correct? Right. If we are going for y is equal to b square minus a square, and if we are putting here minus b, then it will become inside also it will become b square minus a square. Correct? Instead of a square minus b square, that will also become b square minus a square. So that b square minus a square will get cancelled both sides. So y is equal to minus b, answer has come. Similarly, we will be putting the value of y is equal to minus b in bx plus ay is equal to 0, and that is giving to us as bx is equal to minus ay, and minus a into minus b, it will become ab. Okay? Y is also minus b and minus a is already there, so minus into minus plus, and it will become ab. So this b and b will get cancelled, so x equal to a. So what are the values we got? We got x equal to A and y is equal to minus b. What we need to find? We need to find x plus y. So x plus y is equal to a plus minus b. So a minus b. So our answer is a minus b. Okay? Right. Question number 9. Nine is, in the given figure, AB and AC are tangents to the circle. AB and AC. Now, if angle ABC is equal to 42 degree, then the measure of angle BAC is what? Okay. So now you see that we already discussed in question number 3 that from an external point A, if the tangents are drawn to a circle, the length of the two tangents are equal. It means here AB is equal to AC, right? So in this triangle ABC, what we have found? We are finding that AB is equal to AC. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then it will be, as we all know, that it is isosceles triangle. If it is isosceles triangle, it means these two angles, angle B and angle C, will also be equal. If these two angles are equal, and as we know that some of the angles in a triangle will be equal to how much? It is 180 degree. Okay. Some of the angles in a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. So now, two angles we do have already, one angle we do not have. We need to find out. So angle BAC plus 42 plus 42 will be equal to 180 degree. So this will give it to us angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 84 degree. Okay. So 80 got subtracted, 104 got subtracted, so it is 96 degree. So 96 degree will be the answer. Tenth question. If the discriminant of the quadratic equation is 16, 3 square minus 2x plus c is equal to 0 is 16, then the value of c is what? Let us find out. Discriminant is what? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So this discriminant is already given at 16. B square is what? Minus 2 square. So minus 2 square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is c only. So 16. Now minus 2 square is 4 minus 12c is equal to 16. Okay? Yes. Further, when we solve, so 12c we will take another side, it will become positive, and 4 minus it will become 16. 16 will bring another side, so it will be 12c is equal to minus 12, and this 12 will get cancelled. C will be equal to minus 1. So C will be equal to minus 1. So today we will discuss in this particular video question number 1 to 10 we have already discussed, and we will go to next video, in that from question number 10 to question number 20, we will solve it. Okay? So once again, I welcome you all in my Sanjanhvi NEET Academy. So the name is NEET Academy. Of course, we are concentrating more on getting the students prepared for the NEET examination. But yes, of course, foundation is also required. Mathematics is also required. Without mathematics, the student will not be able to solve properly the questions of physics and even chemistry also. So that's the reason I have included in my NEET Academy mathematics. So mathematics, most of the students nowadays in their +2, they are studying mathematics and biology both. So it's very much necessary for all the students to have good command over mathematics also, in addition to having a good command over biology. So for NEET, of course, physics and chemistry and biology only is required, but we want the students to be well conversant even in mathematics also. And nowadays diversity is there in choosing the career option. That's why even I provide career counseling facility in my center. The students may approach us if they do have any confusion. Nowadays, those days have gone where parents only were deciding about the career which the student has to take. Now even parents have become flexible. They are also giving due respect to the interest of the students. It's not that only becoming a doctor and becoming an engineer is the only career available here. It is not there. There are ample opportunities in many of the sectors where people, they have proved very well, and even they earn more than a doctor and an engineer. So let us give ample opportunities, ample guidance to the students to choose their career as per their own desire. If that is there, then only they can excel in their own field. Right? So this is there. So don't worry, we are there to guide you. So it's not that only physically you may contact me. My contact number is also given here. My email ID is also given here. I am expecting that if any student is having any kind of doubt, they will be in touch with me either through my WhatsApp number or through my email ID. So thanks to all of you, and I am 100% sure that most of you, almost all will be passing the 10th board examinations with a colorful marks. No doubt. Thank you very much.